Okay, Zan. All right, everybody, so we are at the Stratosphere Trampoline Park. It's me, Zan. He'll be 2 years old on Tuesday, and then Sean. Yeah? Come on, Zan. And yes, that's a ball pit. Sitting here, bouncing. You ready? Come here. What are you doing? Zan, come on. Let's go. You ready? Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Xander. Oh. Sean, you ready, Zan? All right, can you do that? All right, Zan, you got to jump in here. You ready? Ball pit thing. You ready? All right, so. Oh! All right. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Jump. Yeah! Oh, he did it. Let's go. All right, let's try to clear out of here. Okay. You know what Periscope is, right? Live streaming. Yeah. Come on, buddy. Uh-oh. Here, Daddy, hold it. Come on. I got it. Come on. All right. Come on, Daddy will save you. What? Come on, let's go. Come on, Zan. Oh my God. Come on. Here, Daddy up. Daddy up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, oh no. Come on. Come here. We gotta get you out of here. Daddy up. Come here. Come here, come to Daddy. We gotta go. Come on, help me. Daddy up. Ah, there we go. Okay. So we are trying to get out of here.
No.
No? Sean, you gotta help me.